been injured in an accident that was not your fault and you don't have an attorney, don't go it alone. We have legal professionals standing by to let you know what your case is potentially worth. Hi, I'm Paula Haddock here with spokesman Rob Wolf. So Rob, please tell the viewers at home who should be calling in right now.
Well, Paul, it's just like you said. Anyone who's been injured in an accident, it was not your fault. You do not have an attorney. Give us a call right now. We have legal professionals standing by ready to answer all of your questions and let you know what your case is potentially worth.
So what kind of calls are coming in so far?
Well, Paula, we're seeing calls from all types of accidents today. Look at this great group of people behind us. They're here to answer your questions and help you today. So I want to remind all the viewers at home, if you've been injured in an accident, it was not your fault, or if you've received a low offer from the insurance company, give us a call right now and we'll let you know what your case is really worth.
Thanks so much, Rob. So take action, call now, and find out what your case is really worth.